Hey guys, in this video, why is Theke BKash transfer 26 exact steps, guys? So here, all we need to do is open up our Wise account right here. So I'll be giving you exact steps on how to transfer Wise Theke BKash transfer. So all we need to do is we'll be clicking on send. After clicking send right there, you see it there, right next to scan, then we'll click on the press on the add button on the top right corner. So let's get started, guys. After doing that, pressing on that right there, next thing we need to do is we just need to, you can scroll down or you can just search it. So you can put in like, for example, let's say Bcash, like that, like Bcash, Bcash, like that. Then as you can see right now, it doesn't work, which means we might need to find, what to call this, it's transfer. So we're just gonna find we're just gonna find what currency Bcash is. So if you're not familiar, Bcash is Bcash is a e-wallet, like an e-wallet, but on Bangladesh. So we're gonna type in Bangladesh, Bangladesh. There you go. There you go, and there we go. You see Bcash right there. So, quick reminder for you guys. There we go. We have transfer limit of 250,000 BDT a day, and it also have a fee. So don't worry. The fee is very small, and it uses the exchange rate, which means what rate you'll see in Google is the same rate that will be shown, or you will receive, or you will send to the person you're sending it to. So, which is very useful for people who are transferring money from other countries. But yeah, there you guys. Hope you guys do enjoy the fun. Guys, all you need to do is put in the reception full name, biggest number, BTT, wise, then put in your, or if they have wise account, you can do wise to wise. But if they don't put in the full name, Bcash number, and then BTT amount, then you're done. It's just that. There you guys. Hope you guys do enjoy the fun. Guys. I'll transfer as soon as possible. See you guys on the next one, and thank you guys.